Hello, David here, and the project for today is making feet for a box fan. I got 3 of these box fans. They're all from the Lasko company and they all tip over. I got them secondhand. They work great, but I don't know what happened to the feet. I don't know if these sections at the bottom of the grill are supposed to be the feet, or if there's other feet that happen to fall off or got broken. There is a slot on the box, the bottom of the box here, and I understand that slot is where the feet go. And I saw on Lasko's website that they sell a pair of feet for $4, and I think I figured out their marketing plan. They're breaking even when they sell the box fans, and then they sell you the feet for $4, and they probably charge $8 or $9 for shipping and handling, and that's where all the money's made. So I already made feet for the other 2 fans. And I have some pine. These are 8 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, 3/4 of an inch thick. I already did the layout on there showing the centers. And I gotta warn you, if you're gonna do this, the width of the boxes vary. This box is 3 3/4. My other fan is 4 inches, and the other one is 3 inches. So the width of the box from here to from the front to the back will vary. That's if you want to get your feet centered, and I don't know if I'm a perfectionist, but I like to have things look kind of right. So I want the feet to be centered in the box. There's no holes in the box, so I'm going to have to drill the sheet metal for holes. And another thing I need to warn you on the placement of the feet, these little feet on the safety grill, these are safety grills plastic, but if you line up your feet to fall where this nib is, you're gonna have to trim that plastic or just arrange it so the feet fall straddled from the foot on the plastic grill. So the other 2 I didn't plan for that, so I had to use my aviation shears and just cut off that bottom nib, and they work fine, and the fan is stabilized, it doesn't tip over. So the center line of the wooden feet are 3/4 of an inch from the edge to the center. So the foot over here, this is the edge of the plastic foot on the safety grill. So I have to have the center of my hole a minimum 3/4 of an inch inward from this on each side. So that's how I'm going to lay out the holes. Okay, the feet are on snug. Let's see how I measured those holes. Yeah, okay, there's no interference. Let's see how the safety grill works for the other side. Yeah, perfect fit. The power cord goes through a hole in the front of the safety grill with the flat side to the right. This side's rounded, that side's flat. Let's test it out. Got a knocking noise. I think it's hitting the grill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply heat with the heat gun around the grill while I'm pulling out on the grill. Hopefully I'll get some more clearance in there. Try it again. success. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.